Cool.
The biggest software development training is here. From the 1st of October to the 30th of October, we're going to be taking you through website design and online money making, Python programming and Django, then data science and machine learning. At the end of the first 1 month, you're going to be taken through 3 extra months of constant online support. At the end of the program, if you don't feel satisfied, you get back your money. It's going to be a money back guaranteed program. If you want to get updates on this very program, please hit the subscribe button on this very YouTube channel that you're watching. Visit our website at www.Tclassified.com or www.jamwayeknekouni.com. If you want to register, just call my number. My number is +234 70671 62698. This training is going to be good for beginners and advanced level. If you want to master data science, this is the best training for you. If you want to be very good in software development using Python programming language, this is the best training for you. So give me a call immediately. Check out our YouTube channels. We have very good tool that will help you follow up